Hello, right, I'm Biohacking Joe Baines, and what I want to talk to you about is biohacking. So, in terms of biohacking, the biggest ones I use, the first one is ketosis. If you're in a state of ketosis, you have tons of energy, you have tons of battery life inside of you, and you can go on and on and on and forever. The other one is breathing. I know everybody knows how to breathe, but nobody knows how to breathe. Breathing is so important. One of the biggest biohacks is learning how to breathe properly using your diaphragm and doing proper breathing. The next one is sleep. Sleep is incredibly important for you. So setting up the evening so that you sleep properly, and you do that by using red light therapy, you're using flux, blue light blockers, blue light blocking glasses, all that kind of stuff. And the next one is intermittent fasting, is eating in the shortest window possible. You start with 8 hours and you shrink it to 6 hours, then you shrink it to 4 hours. I'm down to 1 hour, so I have a 1 to 2 hour window for eating. So those are the things. And the other one is cold showers, anything that makes you uncomfortable. So jumping up and down, cold showers, all those things are all biohacks. And also being grateful. So basically my biohacking workshop will teach you all that, including telling you where your body comes from and how you can hack your body to heal itself and to activate autophagy inside your body, which is the body's ability to heal and repair itself. So that's biohacking. Come to my workshop. It's one day, it will change your life. Thank you very much. I'm Biohacking Joe Baines.